Good morning to you.
I need to practice my wheelie game some more. Get have my foot on that rear brake. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I don't know if I'm going to use this footage. I might. I'm out with my brother right now. I got the tunes in and we're gonna vibe. We're probably gonna go downtown, so it feels good as hell out, I'll tell you that much. Yes, sir. Nice ass wheelie for sure. I haven't wheelied in a minute. I told you guys I've been kind of sketched out for wheeling just because, you know, it's the new bike. I don't want it to go down, but you know, dude, hop back on the saddle, you know what I'm saying? Man, this music goes dummy right now. Night rides are such a vibe, bro. You can't beat them. I just really gotta practice using my rear brake when I wheelie, because that's so important, man. I don't have my other GoPro. I just threw on this GoPro on my helmet. I said, fuck it, we're going. Highway time, let's go. Let's go, baby. Guys, I think I'm gonna start posting more, at least every other day. Like, I need to start posting more. I want this YouTube, I'm trying to build this YouTube shit up. There we go. Sixth gear pool. Yeah, I get what I want. Lily just spinning the bag. Oh damn, I got a cramp, bro. Ready? Good playing, dummy. Dude, I keep cramping up, bro. Damn. That's what happens when you come straight from work onto the bike, you just get cramps. It's all good though, we vibing. That's my new high speed, baby. That is my new high speed, baby. Quit playing, bro. That's my new high speed, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. It used to be 161. I think I just hit 163, 164, bro. That's crazy. Oh, we were cooking up in that bitch. Oh, my mom's gonna fucking kill me. I can't even see my brother. I lost him. Damn, bro. I really said my damn. If I would have had my cat off too, bro, it's an extra like 15-20 pounds off. Damn, bro. No mirrors. I'd have been another like 5 pounds or something stupid. That was crazy, bro. I was out that bitch. Imagine a leader bike, bro. I can't imagine a leader bike, bro. That shit gotta be crazy. Let's go. Let's go. That's a good Friday night. a new top speed. Hey, where'd my music go, bro? I got so hyped I lost my music. Bro, I hit a new top speed. What? I hit like 163. What? I know. You need, oh, okay. Well, let's chill down here for a little bit. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. A little bit of gas. Okay. Oof. My baby jumping up in first gear. Oh, can't do that. Yeah, just go right there. Left up there. That's where the parking garage is. You know, let's just go to the top because we can get pictures and shit too. This is the perks of having a bike. And finessed. Smells like a lot of weed. Get out of my way, lady. Little type R. I wish my bike was clean if I'm getting pictures right now. Damn. Damn, shawty, a little baddie. Why is my turn signal on, bruh? Hey. I know you seen them baddies.
Yeah. Call those the Clemson 10s.
Ah! Then I gotta show you guys this view real quick, for real. The Clemson 10s. Damn. Actually, it ain't that much of a view, bro. No lights are on. That's pretty dope, I guess. Oh my god, I almost puked. I ate so much food. Do you leave your brights on? Your shit's so bright. I'll catch you guys when we get back on the road.
I'm finally facing it all, fearless.